turn that.
Sophia, are you talking to Mama?
So what were you trying to tell me before Papa? Oh. And what were you working on your computer? What were you doing? Were you searching the web? Listening to music? Yes. And typing away? Well, I didn't think about that. But that's awesome. Okay. Can I go back to...
Do you want to have an interview with Pops?
Oh.
While Mom goes to work on her iPad?
Why don't you talk with Papa?
Come here.
Go talk to Papa. Tell him what's going on.
So. Come here.
Talk to Papa.
Hey.
Talk to Papa in the camera. Say hi, Papa.
Sophia.
Sophia, talk to Papa.
Hey.
Talk to him. Oh, you like my nail polish? Yeah, when you get older. Yeah, then you can have your nails. You want this color in your nails? Which color do you want on your nails? You want this color? You like that color? Yes or no? Tell me. No? Or yes? Oh, you want the iPad?
Uh-oh.
Who's that? Hello, Kitty? Hello, Kitty. Hello, Kitty. Sophia?
Oh. So. Sophia.
Somebody knows how to turn it on.
Sophia. You looking at yourself? Are you looking at yourself? Who is that girl in there? Ooh.
Are you still videotaping her?
Mm.
Oh.
Okay. All done.
Say bye.
So.
Say bye, Soso.
Sophia.
Bye, Papa.
Sophia.
Bye, Papa.
Sophia.
That's your OCD. Bye.
Gotcha.